Hello and welcome. My name is Michelle with Phoenix Flow Art. So today I'm going to be doing a Dutch pour on an 8x8 gallery wrapped canvas. The colors I will be using today are the same ones I used last week, which pretty much was a seafoam green, a mustard, a gold, and a red. So I'm using my leftover colors from that. Also, my base coat is a little bit of yellow ochre and white mixed in together. So right now I laid out my base coat, I'm laying out my base coat, and I am popping all the bubbles. Once my base coat is covered all over the canvas, including the sides, then I will begin adding my colors. And this is the seafoam green. I'm calling it seafoam green, but I'll put the color in the description. Next, I'll be adding a little red. Red is one of those colors that takes over. So I'm just putting a couple of drops of red on this piece, and it goes a long way. Next is the mustard color, and it's the same thing. I found last week that the red and the mustard pretty much dominated the piece, so I really wanted to use minimum both of those. And all my green got lost last week, so that's why I have more green on this piece. And gold. So next I will add my base coat around the colors and then blow that base coat over the colors before I blow it out. So once you blow out the colors, then it's all about detailing and working on your composition. So I'll be quiet, let you enjoy the video. Phoenix Flow Art, creating is what we do.